What's going on, y'all crazy pop boy? We have something special for you today. We are making a chili cheese encrusted chicken sandwich. Or, if you want to call it this, you can call it the Frito Bandito. We're going to do it right here on the Blackstone. Now, if you don't know what the Frito Bandito is, or even the history behind that, you need to go check out CJ Frazier's, CJ's First Cooking Show over on Blackstone. He invented this thing called the Frito Bandito. I don't even know how long ago, it was a while back. And he puts chili cheese Fritos on stuff. And he's had a Frito Bandito burger, a hot dog, quesadilla. He did some chopped cheese steak the other day, chopped cheese sandwiches. Anyhow, the challenge has been put out there now to use hashtag willitbandito. Now, what the whole purpose of this is, let's see what creations people can come up with. The only stipulation is, has to have onions, has to have barbecue sauce, got to use chili cheese Fritos, and it has to be on the Blackstone. Those four things, use hashtag willitbandito. So follow that hashtag on all social media, not just YouTube. Check it out on Facebook and all that, and you'll see all the creations people are coming up with using chili cheese Fritos and the other ingredients that I said. But today, this is going to be our entry into that contest. So CJ, thanks for putting this together, buddy. Appreciate that. And I hope you enjoy this. I hope it turns out good, because honestly, I have not even tried this. So, with that being said, if you're new here, hey, how about hitting that subscribe button? How about ringing that bell notification? How about giving us a thumbs up and let us know down in the comments that you're new here and where you're coming from? I'd love to know. Love to welcome you here at the Crazy Acres. If you've been here, hey, thank you so much. We're growing, continue to grow, and it's because of you that all this is possible. So thank you so much. So with that being said, I'm going to show you the groceries here behind me. We're going to fire this griddle up, and we're going to get started cooking. Let's get the big boy fired up. I think we're going to go just these two burners today. Leave this side cooler, but right now we're just going with these two burners. And right now I think I'm going to turn them, I don't know, to about a medium. We'll go there. Get that thing heated up. Let's show you some groceries. All right, y'all, here's the groceries. We got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs right here. We got some eggs for egg wash. We got some flour to dredge it in. And of course, there's our onions, one of the main ingredients we have to have. The other ingredient I need more of, I don't have much left, do I? The Duke's Tennessee Smoking Whiskey. And we have some cheese, and we have some buns, but here is the star of the show. This is what makes it a Willet Bandito. This is a Frito Bandito, the chili cheese Fritos. I actually had to buy 2 bags, so the first bag pretty much got to eat already. So anyhow, we have that bag. We got some oil to fry everything in. And y'all, that's it. It's going to be that simple. All right, y'all, the first thing we got to do is get this oil hot so we can get it going, get ready to fry. So we're going to put some oil in this pan over here. That should be enough. Now, while that oil is getting hot, we need to dredge this chicken. All right, y'all, we got to get these Fritos crushed up. We got to make sure they taste right first, though. Yep. That's him. Dump them in the bag. And from here, seal it back up. Now, you can do like this if you want to. Crush it, however. Which will work just fine if you want it to. Or you can break out one of these and crush it up. However you want to do it. That's not near as noisy. And you can get the kids involved. Hey kids, crush these chips up. Only problem is they'll probably eat most of them first. There we go. It didn't take long at all. What y'all think about that? I think it's crushed up pretty well. So now, what we'll do now is, we'll go ahead and get our egg wash ready. Now, use as many eggs as you feel like you need. I'd just grab 5. Because actually, I'm going to cook more of these here in just a little bit. I'm just cooking 3 for the video right now. So I'm probably end up doing more here in just a little bit, you know, because 3 is not going to feed the crazy crew. Whisk that up really good. Once you get it all blended together, Make good old scrambled eggs. Which give me just an idea. You might be seeing something different coming along here with some eggs. There. Now we have the egg wash. So now you know what that means? We have to get our chicken ready to dredge. So what we're gonna do is move our junk out the way. So we're gonna start with the egg wash. Let me make sure y'all can see what I'm doing here. Yes, you can. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in the egg wash, get it coated really good. We're gonna go in the flour, coat it really good with flour, like so. Like I said, it's the first time doing this, y'all. I'm kind of working with it as I go. Dip in the egg wash again, and I'm gonna put it over here in this pan where we're gonna dump the Fritos all over it and get it ready for the oil. The Earl. All right, now from here, we'll just take these Fritos and just cover them up. Like so. Get them all crusty. And I like some crusty chicken. I said I have no idea how this is gonna turn out, y'all. I really don't know. I'm hoping for the best. But we're gonna find out, ain't we? Covering all the good Frito-ness. Is that a word, Frito-ness? I'm gonna tell you like my grandson told me. That's a word because it came out of my mouth. That's what he told me the other day because he said he righted something. All right, there we go. Let's check on our oil. Chicken's breaded. I guess you call it breaded. Would that be breaded? It's chipped. How's that? The chicken's chipped. The oil's at 350. It's time to fry some chicken. But I'm gonna pull this thermometer out of here real quick. Cause it'd be hot. So guess what? The oil's ready. It's time for one thing. Time to get some groceries on this griddle. I hope this turns out good, y'all. Put you there. We'll put you there. Now we are cooking 3 pieces, but I can only put 2 in this pan at one time safely. I don't want to overfill the pan, don't want to put them too close together. We're gonna let this cook for a little bit, probably give them a little flip and take them up. Go ahead and give our chicken a flip. Oh, look at that. That is looking really good, y'all. That chicken's looking right. It really is. Got a pretty golden, of course it was, I guess, the Fritos are already golden color, wasn't it? It's more golden, how's that? Guess what? It's only been about, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes total. You know, we flipped them. Chicken's done. I just took the temperature on temp and it's done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and take this chicken up. Not before we get a beautiful look at it. Put it over here in the pan. Man, that's some fried chicken right there. Yeah, buddy. Tell me that don't look good. All right, we got one more piece to fry up, y'all. Can you believe that that is chili cheese Fritos covering that chicken right there? That is some beautiful fried chicken. I love a good crust on chicken. And I'm almost needed to just try that by itself. It looks so good. Let me spin this around here. Look at that, look at that. Okay, y'all, chicken's done. And it looks amazing. That chicken looks, I mean, that crust on that chicken looks absolutely amazing. But it's time to build these chili cheese Frito encrusted chicken sandwiches. I guess that's what I'm gonna call them. I don't know. Y'all help me out with this. We'll put on this sandwich. Now get this in here. This is gonna be a big sandwich, y'all. Look at that. Now, from here, gotta have the onion. Might need 2 pieces of onion on this. I don't know. Tell you what we can do. We'll do this. How's this? Kind of spread that onion out a little bit. We'll kind of do that number. Yeah, buddy. How's that? Like that. Same on this one. Kind of make it look a little prettier. Because like I say, pretty food tastes better. Now, I do have some pepper jack cheese I'm going to put there. And I have some Kobe Monterey Jack cheese I'm going to put on this one. Now, the other ingredient you had to have was barbecue sauce. Put on like that. Top it off. Like that right there. And now I present to you, for your viewing pleasure, the chili cheese Frito encrusted chicken sandwiches. I'm going to tell you what, I don't know how these are going to taste yet. Keyword yet. But they look absolutely amazing. Maybe some lettuce and a tomato on there. I don't know. That chili cheese, ooh, that barbecue sauce dripping. Look, look. I don't know how it's going to turn out. We got to try one. Y'all, food's done, and look who shows up. TheRetroBen. Be sure to go check him out. You want something fixed? He's part of the man that can show you how to do it. But anyhow, you want some food fixed? You stay here with me. Just stay here. He can't cook. Anyhow, we're going to try these out. But y'all, I can't say enough about how that turned out. That is awesome. Grab yours there, Ben. Yeah. I don't know. All I can say is I hope it's good. Let's try it out. I hope you can hear that crunch. Dude. So, the question was, second bite. The question was, will it bandito? Huh, you betcha. Yeah, buddy.
Well, that's good.
That is delicious. That's awesome. CJ, you gotta try these out, buddy. You got to try these out. Don't know if it leaves lettuce and tomato and all that or not. Make it look pretty. But this is perfect the way it is. Now, I don't know if using other chips would be better or not, but I'm gonna tell you right now. The chili cheese Fritos on this sandwich is what, Bryson? It's bussin'. That's right. You got to try this out. CJ, thank you so much for getting this together. I don't know if you call it a collab or a challenge or whatever you may call it, but I tell you what, this is awesome right here. Can't never tell what we're gonna come up with here at the Crazy Acres. Chili cheese Frito encrusted chicken sandwiches. That's right. Will it bandito? Yes, it will.